Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the steps on how to hard reset or factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A03s. This particular device with Boost Mobile, this tutorial should work on any similar devices from any other service providers. As you see, this device has a passcode and we don't know what the password, we're just going to pretend we don't know it. When you press the power key and hold it and try to hit the power off, it won't let you do it. It's gonna tell you to enter the passcode. Now, the very first step, what we're gonna do, we're gonna force shut off the device. You would need the power and the volume down key to perform that. You wanna press these two buttons at the same time for about 10 seconds. The phone will vibrate. As soon as the phone vibrates, you wanna switch from pressing the volume down to the volume up key. Now, if the phone completely turned off, you just have to press the volume up, then press the power to turn it back on. In our case right here, the device went off, as you see. So we're just going to press the volume up, then power on the device. As soon as you see the Galaxy screen, release the power and keep holding the volume up key. In about a couple of seconds, the menu will come up. As you see right here, you're going to use the volume down key to navigate and scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Then you want to press the power key to confirm. You want to pick the second option. Press the power key. Once that is done, we're going to do one more thing. Scroll down to wipe cache partition. Then press the power key again. Then down to yes, and press the power. Once that is done, you can go ahead and reboot your device and everything is wiped off and deleted. This is it guys. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos, and thank you guys for your support. I will see you next time.